Is your Microsoft Store acting up, preventing you from accessing your favorite apps? Don't worry, we'll get it back up and running in this quick tutorial. First, we're going to try a simple reset. In the search bar, type reset and hit enter. A command prompt window will briefly appear. This clears the store's cache and can often resolve minor issues. Wait for it to finish. The Microsoft Store will launch automatically if successful. If not, let's move on to the next step. Next, we'll use PowerShell to reinstall the Microsoft Store. Right-click the Start button and select Windows Terminal Admin. A blue window will appear. Carefully type in the code shown on the screen and press enter. This command uninstalls the Microsoft Store. Don't panic. Now, to reinstall it, carefully type in the second code shown on the screen and press enter. This reinstalls the Microsoft Store along with all its necessary packages. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. After restarting, the Microsoft Store should be back and ready to use. Log back in if you haven't already. You should now be able to browse, download, and update your apps without any problems. If you're still having issues, there might be deeper system problems, but this usually resolves most Microsoft Store glitches. Thanks for watching.